Jess Stratton here, and welcome to Monday Productivity Pointers. Now, I think we've all been here before. We've tried fixing a friend or family member's computers, but looking at screenshots can be tough. And it's also hard to troubleshoot over the phone. Sometimes you just need to connect up to their computer and see what's going on. Now, there are native tools, but sometimes those can be trouble. For example, remote desktop invitations. What happens if the other person doesn't get your email invitation? Or what happens if you spend far too much time mucking around with firewall settings to get it to work? That can be a headache. Today I'm going to show you how to painlessly connect up to a friend or family member's computer so that you can fix their problem. There's one easy download, which has no sign up, no firewall settings, and the connection is encrypted. The tool is called Crossloop, and I'm going to show you how to use the free version today to remote control a friend or family member's computer. Crossloop is my #1 go-to remote control application for people who aren't technically savvy. For one, it's an easy download. But two, once you're actually in the app, there's no options or choices you have to make. It's very easy to use. All right, let's get started. So I went to crossloop.com and I downloaded the client software, and I'm going to double-click on it now to show you how it works. It's going to load up. And I don't want to create an account. I'm going to select Later. You can still use it without needing an account. Now, there's two simple tabs. One, to share your screen with somebody else, and two, to access another person's screen. The first thing I'm going to do is access somebody else's screen. If I come to the Share tab, I can see an access code at the bottom. That's what I'm going to ask the other person to read to me so that I can connect to their computer. I'm going to connect up to my producer Shay's computer right now. So Shay, let's have your access code.
8595 2155 4153.
Once I've got the access code, I can click Connect. And first I have to tell Shay to come over to her Share tab and choose Connect so that she can wait for a connection on my side. Once she's got that in place, I can click Connect. And now it's going to wait for a connection. I'll show you what this looks like on the other side after. Once Shay accepts my connection, I'll be invited to remote control her screen. As I can see, Shay's accepted, and so here's her screen. Now I can move the mouse around, and as you can see, it's a tiny little dot, but this is Shay's computer. I can double-click on icons and actually control her machine. Now I can see everything that she can see. I also have a menu up here at the top of some options. For example, if this is a Windows machine, I can send Control-Alt-Delete. I can refresh the screen. I can send a start command to the host. And when I'm all done, I can hit Close Connection. I've stopped our connection because I've finished and I fixed her computer, and now she's very happy. Let's see what that looks like on the other side. I'm going to click Share because now I want to invite Shay to share my screen. So now I have to read her My Access code and click the Connect button, which is 5461 9672 3644. And I'm going to click Connect. Now I'm waiting for Shay to connect up to my screen. Here's the box. It's saying that Shay wants to connect, and it's asking me if I want to continue. Now, I can select View Only if I didn't want her to remote control my computer, just see it. But in this case, I'm going to choose Yes. The screen goes, meaning Shay is about to connect up to my computer. And now, in the right-hand side, I can read that I'm sharing my screen with Shay Hansen. Now, Shay can end on her own like I showed you, or at any time, I can take my mouse and choose Disconnect. So that's how easy it is. Crossloop is great because it does one thing and it does it well. You can access somebody else's screen or share your own screen.